With each passing day, we spend more time on computers and expect them to meet more complex needs. Computer hardware engineers have a leading role in the research on and development of advanced computer technology and even influence how it's used. Computer hardware engineers research, design, and test computer systems and components such as processors, circuit boards, memory, and storage media. In most cases, the goal of computer hardware engineers is to discover ways to make computers faster and more powerful. Some more specialized engineers design other devices that incorporate computers like cars and medical equipment. Some work closely with software developers to design phones, tablets, and other devices.
Have you heard of Microsoft's Satya Nadella, Nokia's Rajiv Suri, and Vikas Khanna of MasterChef India? All have graduated from Manipal University. Manipal University is a well-known deemed university in India, offers more than 350 programs across 30 disciplines. The university also has campuses in Manipal, Bangalore, Jamshedpur, Melaka, and Dubai. Manipal University holds its own entrance examination across the country for admission to various degree programs offered by its colleges. Manipal Entrance Test, MET, is the entrance exam for admission to several engineering programs at Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal and Bangalore campus, Sikkim Manipal University, and Manipal University, Jaipur campus. It is a computer-based exam with a combination of multiple choice questions and numerical answers. Each question carries 4 marks with a negative marking of 1 mark for incorrect answer that is applicable only for MCQs. There are 15 maths, 10 physics, 10 chemistry, and 10 English MCQ questions, as well as 5 maths, 5 physics, and 5 chemistry NAT type questions in the MET paper. Normally, the university conducts this exam twice in a year, once in April and another one in June. A re-attempt in June is permitted in order to improve your score. Mechatronics, aeronautical engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, and printing technology are among the specializations available at MIT, in addition to the conventional engineering courses. That was about Manipal University's MET entrance exam. Let us now look into the BITSAT exam. Have you heard of Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani? That is BITS Pilani. BITS Pilani is a private deemed university that primarily focuses on higher education and research in engineering and science. The university's campuses have grown from Pilani to Goa, Hyderabad, and Dubai. BITSAT is a computer-based online test for admission to BITS Pilani's integrated first-year degree programs at its campuses in Pilani, Goa, and Hyderabad. Minimum eligibility is 75% aggregate in PCM or PCMB with a minimum of 60% per subject. BITSAT is a computer-based online exam of 3 hours duration. This paper has 40 questions each from physics and chemistry, 45 questions from biology or maths, 15 questions on English, and 10 questions on logical reasoning. That was about BITSAT examination and its pattern. Here is COMEDK UGET. COMEDK UGET is another entrance examination in Karnataka. The Consortium of Medical, Engineering and Dental Colleges of Karnataka administers this COMEDK UGET, which is a state-level entrance test. COMEDK scores are accepted by over 120 colleges and institutions. Candidates seeking admission to bachelor's in architecture courses through COMEDK must first appear in NATA and JEE main second paper and then enroll in COMEDK counseling process. Minimum eligibility score is 45% in 12th PCM, and for the reserved category, it is relaxed to 40%. The UGET exam lasts 3 hours and consists of 180 questions, 60 each from physics, chemistry, and maths. There will be no negative marking for incorrect answers. Some of the colleges that are participating and accepting COMEDK scores for admission to engineering are listed here for your quick reference. That was about COMEDK UGET examination. In this video, we have discussed NATA for architecture, Karnataka Common Entrance Test CET, BITSAT, Manipal University's MET, and COMEDK UGET examination patterns, and the list of colleges that participate in these examinations. For more details on engineering and architecture specializations, JEE Main and advanced tests, and the list of participating colleges, please refer to the part 1 of engineering and architecture career video. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please contact me through the email address mentioned in this slide.
An architect is someone who works with a large collective of people in order to realize a vision for a new space or a new building. And the architect's role within that is typically to act as the prime consultant, which means that we organize everyone and make sure that we fulfill the requirements.
There are many aspects of civil engineering, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, and also transportation. Personally, I design more of the environmental infrastructure aspects, so that would entail water treatment, supplying water to communities, and taking that water and returning it back to the environment. We use AutoCAD. No, as engineers, we don't generate detailed design drawings or anything like that, but we do make sure that our designs work.
Cloud-based solutions, which is information technology delivered over the internet. Essentially, we build a huge farm of computer servers. So you wanted me to change the email signature. One of the most important responsibility is to actually talk to many of the stakeholders. So stakeholders are generally our customers and
users, maintain servers, networking and security for a number of different organizations. I deploy those with the assistance of my team, and we build the servers, we put the operating systems on them, we secure them, make them ready for your use, and then we do routine monthly maintenance on that network and service any issues that you may encounter.
The general path is starting with content strategy and site maps and things like that, moving into the static design and how it would look to the users who are going to be viewing the website, and then development of the code and launch. Depending on the projects we have going that day, we might jump into creating a wireframe, which essentially is a really basic layout of how the information architecture is going to look.